Hi, in this video I'm going to review the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, which is suitable for your face and body and for dry to sensitive skin. Now, I reviewed this one a few years back, which was one of my first videos that I've done, as well as also one of my first skincare videos that I've done. Now that I've learned over the years and I'm still using the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, I've learned also how to use it and also what works the best for me. And I'm going to demonstrate it while taking off the makeup that I'm having on, in the hope that it also will help you to see how this cleanser performs and also if you want to get it for yourself or not. Now you get a lot of product out of this cleanser, also many uses out of it, and you can use it with water to later on rinse it off, or you're just going to use it dry with cotton pads. This is totally your preference. I'm going to use it later on with also a wet cloth. Now, my name is Melissa van Dijk and I hope that you will enjoy this little review and demonstration. Now, I also should mention that the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser is non-comedogenic, it's fragrance-free and soap-free, which also makes it suitable for sensitive skin. Now, I'm going to start off by only using one pump. If you like to, you can also use a bit more, but normally one pump should be enough. And this way you can also use the cleanser for such a long time. And so now that you have it in your hands, you're going to gently massage it into the skin. I like to use circular motions because this does really break down the makeup. And this one feels very gentle. It also feels like very refreshing at some point, but it does not irritate my skin. Like I've mentioned already with other cleansers, if I get a reaction, it's normally around the eyes, but you can use this one also around the eyes. I had no issues with it. There was no stinging feeling or any irritation or redness. It also takes off the mascara. With waterproof mascara, I also would recommend using a liquid makeup remover, that's especially also for the eyes, because those are normally the ones that can also break down waterproof mascara. With this one, I would say normal mascara, it's alright. This is what I mainly use. I'm not really that type of person that loves using waterproof mascaras. But the way it does break down the mascara, the eyeshadow and also base is just amazing. And this is just by gently massaging it into the skin so that it just can break apart. So once you have massaged it into the skin, you're happy on how it broke it down, you can use cotton pad if you like to. I would recommend using a cloth that you're going to wet and then later on just toss it in your washing machine and you're good to go. This way it just will remove the cleanser and the makeup at the same time, and you feel also that you have cleansed your face the correct way. And now I'm just going to gently remove it. Now it takes off the foundation as well as also the mascara, so it does really do a pretty good job to later on have a refreshed and clean face. And so once you're done, your skin is clean, you have washed your face with the cloth, you have removed your makeup. Now what you can do is basically let it kind of dry or use a towel to just pat it damp and then move on to your moisturizer. And this is also a very gentle way on how you can use this cleanser. I mean, I've reviewed it back then a few years ago and I still love this one a lot. It's also very affordable and it does an amazing job. So There's like nothing negative I can say about this one because it does what it's supposed to do and also what they claim. So I do hope that you still enjoyed this little review and demonstration and that I could help you with whether you should get it or not. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Now, this is an independent channel. I'm buying the products with my own money. So yeah, I mean, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!